You are watching
Tech with
Entertainment. Don't forget to
subscribe.
Hello everyone, this is Arya Nirola and welcome to this short video. In this video I will show you how you can enable the dark mode in your Windows. So without delay, let's get started and know about it. Before starting the process, I want to inform you that this video is only applicable to the Windows 10 users, especially those people who are using the Windows 10 1809 or 1903, because Microsoft introduced this dark mode system from the October update, and it has become more advanced in recent May update, that is Windows 10 1903 version. So in this video we'll learn about that. So without delay, let's begin the process. And this is much more awaited feature by the user of Microsoft Windows. So you can go reach to the dark mode setting by the two way. One is by typing dark mode in the search box, or by going to the setting by pressing Windows plus I.
Settings window, search bar, list, system 1,
and it has given some categories.
phone personalization 5 of.
To reach to the dark mode, we have to go to the personalization category. I'm just press enter.
Settings window, background, search, home bar, search list.
After pressing enter on the personalization option, it will give some of the subcategories. There are some subcategories like background,
colors not, lock screen not selected, 3 of 7.
So without touching anything, we'll just go
colors not selected, 2 of 7.
So to select the color subcategory, just press enter after keeping your cursor on it.
Colors selected.
And before enabling the dark mode, I want to just inform you that when you go to the to this setting and try to enable the dark mode, your screen reader may not work properly or may announce the option little much late, as I have tried with both screen reader, JAWS 2019 and NVDA 1902. Both of them work quite late in this option. The response was quite low, so you have to wait for a few seconds to know the option. So I click on the color subcategory. I just selected it by pressing the enter key. Now I'll just press the tab key.
Choose your color combo box, light collapsed.
Okay, it has said choose your color combo box light. That means just now I'm in the light, I'm using the light color. Means that all of the apps, all of the features of Windows as well as other third-party apps are being running in the light mode. And after focusing on that, choose your color combo box. I'll just press the down arrow. Okay, if you have the vision, then you can
dark.
The color has been changed into dark, but the NVDA announced it quite late, after a few seconds. So the dark mode has been enabled. You can just press the Alt F4 button.
Of 64.
And after that, you can check most of the apps color have been changed into the dark mode, and all of the Windows features like Windows File Explorer, settings, and other kinds of features color have also been changed into dark mode. So most of the popular apps like Google Chrome and Adobe apps as well as other well-known browsers, color will be changed into dark, but the non-popular apps won't be changed as they don't have the feature of dark mode. So Windows will give a prompt to these apps, and if they have that feature, then they will also change their color into dark. So this is a quite popular feature, and it is being quite popular in the sighted community, because dark mode helps the sighted people to use their computer quite comfortably, and there won't be much more side effects on their eyes, and it saves battery as well. So you can try this option and change your color into dark, enable the dark mode in your Windows 10. And before going, I'll just want to inform you that this is only available in Windows 10 1809 version and above. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you have any doubts, leave it in the comment box. I will try to solve it, and you can suggest about the new video in the comment box. Thanks for watching.